Hi, what's up guys? It's DJ coming at you with another video again. I'm back. And we're just gonna have a change of pace here on these particular videos. We have some content that's kinda closely connected to storage and saving storage on your hard drives. And this is something that I know a lot of people didn't know about, so I wanted to shed some light on it. You can do the exact same thing that you did as far as storage preservation on most kind of Apple products, iTunes in particular. On Final Cut, there was a situation where people were having issues with duplicate files being saved onto the hard drive. Whenever they would drag whatever file it was into the software, it would always make a duplicate file. It was kind of like the preset for those softwares, and this happens also in iTunes as well. And a way to change that and make it so that's not the case is, again, to go to preferences. Seems to be where you find most things, and then instead of kind of making a copy of it, which I have checked off down here, it says copy files to music folder. When adding to the library, you just click the button that says keep music in folder. It's organized, and it'll make it so you don't have to run into those issues of having duplicate files all over the place. This is something, again, that I started to realize on older computers that I would have. I said, why am I running out of space so fast? And I would go in and look in some of these softwares that I would use a lot and say, well, this thing has like 300-400 gigs extra that I'm not even using, and that's what it is. It's taking a lot of your space because it's making duplicates of whatever you put inside of it. So if you want to do that, you can change these settings here, click OK, and then not worry about losing your space. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.